Hello there and welcome to the Card Grotto. Today I've got the new release from Clearly Besotted to share with you. The new set's released today, that's the 1st of December 2022 at 8 PM at Greenwich Mean Time. You can purchase the sets as one big bundle, which is exclusive to Clearly Besotted, so that's all of the sets plus free gifts and a 15% discount off of the price. But you can also purchase the sets separately from Clearly Besotted and also selected retailers. And I will have a list of those over on my blog and in the description bar on YouTube. So as I usually do, I'm going to share the new release with you and also the samples that I have made as a design team member. So there is a definite theme this month with all of the sets, as you'll see as I go along. So first of all, this is the Under the Sea set. Such a cute set, as you can see, ha ha ha. So there is the seabed image here at the bottom, with the seaweed and the rocks and sand and things like that, the little starfish. And then there's all of these different characters and animals that can be in this scene. So obviously you can use these together, you can use them separately, you can use whatever images you want to, but obviously they are made so that they work together. So all of these different creatures, you've got fish, you've got seahorses, octopus, turtles, seahorses, crabs, sharks, just a really fun set. Can create lots of different scenes with this set. There are extra little elements, things like movement marks, bubbles, tiny little fish there, some splash marks, some fun sentiments: keep swimming, see you, best fishes, hi, make a splash. So really fun set, can be used for lots of different occasions. And so this is the card that I made using that set. I stamped out the seabed image first at the bottom. I made a mask for that from masking paper, popped that on top, and then I did some inking on the kind of top part of the background with some distress inks, and then I placed the sunny day stencil on top, actually upside down, because ordinarily the sun would be at the bottom and then the rays would go up. So I just did it upside down so that the rays came down, and added in some white ink for that, and then it just kind of made it look like there were light rays coming through the water. Stamped out the cute little fish there, and then also the crab, the extra shell and the starfish. Coloured those with Copic markers, fussy cut those out, and then I just heat embossed the sentiment from that set there as well. Next up is the Up in the Air set. So there is another lovely scene here with the clouds and the rainbow, and then all of these bird characters. So there is owls, there's toucans, little chicks, kind of what I would call like sort of general birds, I suppose, that could be any sort of bird colour, anything you wanted to. Little penguins there as well. It's a little egg, a little heart, some stars, again some kind of extra little bits like movement marks, a little bow or a bow tie, a little circle that can be used in lots of different ways. And then there is the sentiment, you are so tweet, and then a little hi there as well, which is so cute. And I didn't actually use this set for my samples, unfortunately. I ran out of time, although I did use that little heart there for another card. Next up is the Out in the Cold set. So the scene there at the bottom is the icebergs and the water there, or the ocean, the sea, whatever you wanted to call it. You could probably get away with these big mountains if you took away the bottom iceberg there as well. And then all of these characters that kind of live generally in the cold. So you've got like Arctic foxes, little reindeers there, some bears, penguins, seals, some whales, just really cute little images. There is the diamond there, some movement marks, some little hats, like a kind of Santa hat, and then sort of more of like a woolly hat there as well. Hearts, little bow ties or bows, like I said, little circles, splash marks, one kind of like in the shape of a heart, which is really cute. And then again some fun sentiments that can kind of be mixed and matched. So you've got like you're a cool dude, you are a cool dude, you're cool, there you go, like be cool, chillax, lots of different ways that you can kind of mix and match the different sentiments together. And although that set can be used all year round, I did decide to create a Christmas card because I am in the need of some Christmas cards at the moment. So what I did was I stamped out the iceberg kind of image there, masked that off with masking paper again. I actually did that for pretty much all of my cards, I think all of them actually this month. And then I did some distress ink kind of sky in the background. Added on some white gel pen stars, and kind of, they could be snow or they could just be stars. And then what I did was, for the cute little penguin, I stamped out the hat first, masked that off, and then stamped out the penguin underneath, so it looks like he's wearing it all as one stamp. But you could easily just cut out the hat and then pop that on the characters as well if you wanted to. The sentiment there is from the Pop-Up Pust set. I think it has now been discontinued, so I apologise for that, but I just wanted kind of like a generic Merry Christmas sentiment. I thought it was a cute little scene. Next up is the In the Jungle set, another adorable set. You can see the theme here. So there is the jungle scene there at the bottom, and then again all of these animals. Giraffe, I think these are leopards, you've got tigers, lions, rhinos, monkeys, the sloths are absolutely adorable. I didn't end up using them, but I think they're my favourites. They're just absolutely adorable. The elephants there as well, little party hats that they could be wearing, little flowers, a butterfly there, movement marks again, some bananas, just really, really cute. And then again, some fun sentiments, born to be wild, but only until 9 p.m. You've got raw, you've got high, XO. Just a really, again, really cute set. And all of these sets, as you can see, can be used all year round for lots of different scenes. And so I thought I'd create kind of like a little anniversary card. These giraffe do look like they're baby giraffe, but nonetheless, I thought it would be quite cute. So I stamped out the background there, simply coloured that with Copic markers, and then stamped out the cute little giraffe. And since they're kind of facing each other, sort of, I thought it'd look quite cute to have a little heart there in the centre. And that is the one from the Up in the Air set, that heart that I said that I used. It was a little bit bigger than the heart that was in the Jungle set, and then a little bit smaller than some of the other hearts in the other sets. The sentiment there is from the Feeling Sentimental set. Next up is the On the Farm set. So there is the kind of farm scene here at the bottom with the hills there, and then also the fence, and then the little kind of barn. Really cute. Again, all of these lovely characters. There's goats, there's pigs, there's sheep, there's little chicks, donkeys. I think they're donkeys. They're absolutely adorable. Just, there's such cute images. Again, some fun sentiments. We have moved. Have you heard? You could do have you heard? We have moved. I miss you. Sending hugs and kisses. You are the goat. Oink, chirp. A little egg again. A little bow. A larger heart there as well. Again, some movement marks. Really fun set again. And I thought I'd create a little circle card, so it does open as if it was a normal card. I just thought it'd be really cute to kind of focus kind of like the area just in a smaller way. So I stamped out the scene there at the bottom, again masked that off with masking paper, and then I used the Cloudy Day stencil from Clearly Besotted to add some clouds in the sky with distress inks. The cute little pig, I couldn't resist him, he's absolutely adorable. And then the butterflies there are from the In the Jungle set, and then I just stamped out the sentiment there and heat embossed that onto black cardstock and pop that on top. And then last but not least is the In the Woods set. Again, another adorable set. So there is the woodland scene there at the bottom, and then again all of these lovely characters, the little owls, the squirrels, the bears, the foxes, the raccoon, the little hedgehogs there, the bunnies, and then another reindeer there as well. Just so cute. Again, some fun sentiments that can kind of be mixed and matched. So you've got things like you are so foxy, you are a hoot, hello my dear, you are dear to me, sending hedgehogs and kisses, little hay, cute little heart there again, some stars, little flower, and then a party hat there as well. You could probably use that for something else as well, but to me that's a little party hat. Again, just a really cute set. You can mix and match all of the different images. Obviously you can mix and match all of the different animals and characters between the sets as well. We'll have them on different scenes and things like that if you want to, but yeah, they're just absolutely adorable sets. And I did decide to create 2 little tags using this set. I just thought that scene was really beautiful but quite simple as well, so I just thought I would add the 2 little images on top, the little fox there and then also the owl. The owl probably isn't usually sitting down on some grass, but he was just too cute not to use. The sentiments there are from the Tiny Type set, and again I masked off the bottom and then did some distress inking in the background, and the tags are from the tag along die set from Clearly Besotted. So that was a look at the December release from Clearly Besotted for 2022. I cannot believe that this is the last release of the year. This year has gone so quickly. We will have teasers before the end of the year's out for the January release, but this is the last release of the year otherwise. I hope you've enjoyed watching. I really hope you've liked the release and also the releases throughout the year as well. I just think they've been absolutely adorable. Links to the products that I shared will be in the description bar on YouTube and also over on my blog. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.